Pinocchio Sini, Bianca Saldua.
Well, Noel, ang nangyari talaga ay na-hyperextend yung right thumb niya at sabi ng mga medics naman na kaya naman niya na maglaro kung gustong-gusto naman talaga. At sabi niya, no, I want to play. Kahit anong mangyari, I want to play. Kaya, ewan ko na lang kung papayagan ni Coach Roger na maglalaro siya mamaya. So, tignan na lang natin kung makikita pa natin si Cassini. But if ever sa future games nila, it will only take 1 to 2 days na mawala yung swelling. So, siguro in the future games, makikita natin for sure. Back to you guys.
We're tied at 8 right now and we want to take a look at that finger. Kanina si Bianca parang nangingisay nung inayos yung daliri nitong si Pinocchio Sini. Hyperextended, so it's not a sprain, it's not a pull, it is swelling though. So eto ngayon si Charo, turn back by Balse. Going to Roses. Salak. Iniwan para kay Balse and Balse gets it cross court.
Army na ngayon ang hyper even though they're down by 2 sets. Itong Smart naman, up na nga, tahimik pa.
I don't remember the last time Army was down 0-2 in this tournament.
It's time to wake up for the Philippine Army.
Charo. Salak. Going over to Ging. Kept alive by the left hook of Melissa Going. Valdez turned back. And that's going to be a violation. Double touchdown against Cotruang. So Cotruang very surprised na sa tawag na yun. 10-8 right now in favor of the Philippine Army. Nene Bautista, bagong gupit.
2 points ahead.
Yep. Sue. Salak. Dakis. Yes! Again, pag na-late ka ng konti dito kay Dakis at maganda ang approach niya, asahan mo na lang na magaling sana libero mo. Let's take a look at this Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Slow motion replay. Magaling nga yung going pero ang lutong ng tira nitong si Dakis.
Nahuli ang middle blocker ng Smart Maynila.
Right.
Bukas na bukas para kay Rachel Andakis ang palo na yun.
Here's De Leon now. Going over to Valdez off the block. Gonzaga make that. Salak intercepting Gonzaga. Si Dakis hits into the net. It looks like Gonzaga was ready to set that time.
At syempre, aagawang ka ng number ng setter nyo.
Right. 11-9. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Charo Soriano. And Charo, who had 8 aces in one game, is having a lot of problems sa kanya serve today. That's her third service error.
Tatlo na ang lamang ng Army ngayon. Hindi pwedeng palayuin ito ng Smart Maynila if they want to finish this early.
Here's De Leon right now going over to Roses. Nilusot kay Ging Balse. Former teammates of course at UST nung guest player si Ging Balse or si Sue Roses doon during season 4.
Balse and Dakis na manguna ng atake dito para sa Army. Kaya naman 2 points ahead na sila Noel.
Nice serve there coming from Eliza Valdez. Rachel Andakis. Walang nakahawak. Si Going at the last minute na iwas niya yung kamay niya.
Decided out.
Oo. 12-11. 1 point lead for Army. Eliza again. Into the net this time. 13-11.
Service problems.
Oo, ganda rin dyan. Dakis and Valdez, we actually were teammates in the first conference when Dakis was a guest player of Ateneo.
Over ko yun.
Right.
Alam ko yan.
Here is Cotruang off the hands of Gonzaga, and Cotruang sat on Gonzaga's foot. So the point will go to Smart Maynila. Isa na lang hinahabol nila rito.
Malapit yung set nila yun na yun.
Oo.
Delikado yun.
Ito muntik na crossing. Ito si Cotruang. Salak. Running attack. Rachel Andakis. And Dakis. Guess yourself doing that. Especially pag nasa backline ka. Nanonood ka.
Noel, diba?
Oo.
Minsan kahit andito ako, what's happening?
That will take a while to get used to. Eliza. Teka. Wala senyas yata linesman.
Meron.
Meron. In siya.
Inside.
I think Lumer might overturn this. Lumer Parillo might overturn this one. It is overturned. Mukha naman siya talagang out eh. Now Dakis into the net. So Army is giving up a lot of free points para dito sa Smart Maynilad. Once again, we have not seen the return of Pino Quezini.
Ako, nakakaramdam ako pag umangat yan sa harap si Nika Guliman, babalik
Oh.
na itong si Casini.
And here's Cotruang. And Cotruang gets through. Ramida Cotruang. New player. This is only her third match. Uy, Dakis nahirapan sa reception.
Free ball.
Combination now. Cotruang. And Luna cannot save it. 15 all. Nawala yung kalamangan ng Army. Here's Nika Guliman. Into the net. So the second technical timeout will find Army up but only by 1.
Ito ang Shakespeare.